Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the amplifier Blackstar HT20R MKII. This is an amp I purchased recently, and I decided to buy this amp because I needed something small, around 20 watts, but a full valve amp which is easy to transport, and I can use it on live shows. Yes. So I was looking for more amps, and then I decided for this amp mainly for how it's built and what it provides me as a player. I'm not going to go really into technical details because there are a lot of videos about this amplifier. You can find all the specs, really huge amount of videos and information. What I'm going to try to do in this video is tell you my opinion about this amp, if it's really worth to buy, and what quality you can get for like around this $600 or euros, which is the price of this amp. So first, this amp has a clean channel. Yes, and you're now thinking at this clean channel it has only a volume, a tone knob, and this voice switch. Is it enough for set up a nice clean? And my answer is yes. I was totally surprised by this, that with only these three things you can set up a really nice clean sound. Yes, and this voice switch gives you like another type of clean sound, which is like more hairy, or it's like it has a bite in it. It sounds really nice, it sounds really good, it's a nice clean. So let's check out how the clean channel sounds. So this was the clean channel. Let's go to the second channel, which is the main channel on this amp, or at least this is how I see this amp. So the second channel is the overdrive channel, and this channel has the full equalization. So middle, bass, treble. It has this IFS, which helps you to choose between UK sound and American sound, and has volume and separate master. So you can really do a nice setup, and of course has this voice switch. So the basic overdrive, I really like it. I think this basic overdrive is like spot on. It sounds amazing. It's a really natural overdrive. I would describe it like a clean overdrive. It's a nice overdrive, but you can really hear what you're playing, and I really like that feature. The gain knob is pretty sensitive, and you can get like really low gain to the like a more heavy gain on this amp. This is why I see it as a main channel, because this is the sound of the amp. This is the sound why you should buy this amp, this overdrive channel, how it works. And you can choose this UK sound or American sound, and personally I prefer more this American sound. And then you have this voice switch, which feels like you are adding more gain to this channel. And I think for like riffs it's too much. But it can be really nicely used for solos. So if you need to boost your guitar when you start to play some more lead, you can use this voice switch to boost your guitar playing. So overall, this overdrive channel sounds amazing. I was really like blown away how this overdrive channel sounds, and this shows that this amp really, if you don't want, this amp doesn't need any extra overdrive pedal. It really you can use this overdrive which is inside of this amp. So let's check out the overdrive channel. So overall, I think this Blackstar HT20 Mark II is a really nice amp. It also has a really nice reverb. It also has a switch when you can decrease the output of this amp to 2 watts. And on the back panel, there are a lot of other things you can use, like cap simulation, XLR output, and all these amazing things you can. I'm not going to talk about because these are more specific things and you can find them in other videos. I was also surprised by the tubes which were in this amp, because there were not these cheap unbranded Chinese tubes. There are harmonics tubes which sounds and they sound amazing, so it's pretty good. The amp itself, it's not heavy, it's easy to transport, it's easy to move, it's easy to handle. Only thing I don't like on this amp is this stereo foot switch, which is completely made of plastic. So I'm really curious for how long I can use this foot switch before it breaks. But on the other hand, it's a simple stereo foot switch which can really replaced in no time. Yes, so it's not that a big deal for me. What I really like on this amp is the sound and the fact that you really, if you're like a guy like me who likes a nice overdrive sound, this is the amp for you, and you don't need more extra pedals to use this amp. You can really use this foot switch. You have the overdrive pedal, you can have a nice clean, and with this voice you can use this voice as a boost, and you can for the lead, so you don't need any extra thing for this amp. So thank you that you watched my video. If you have any questions, just write them down in the comment section, and if you like this video, please just give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and in the future I will try to do more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.